Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can combine two video clips in Filmora in just one single step. Obviously, we need to first start with importing the file. Now drag the clip one to the timeline like so. If you want to zoom out the timeline, you can use this slider like so. Now the second clip adding to the timeline, dragging here. So go and play at the junction between the two. There you have it. If you want, you can also add transition effects to the junction of the video. That can be achieved by going to this transition, and then if you select this basic and drag it all the way to the place where we want to add the transition effect to, between the two clips or at the end of the first or at the beginning of the second. Let's place at the junction or between the two clips like so. Let's see how it looks. Quite dramatic, right? Now all there's left to do is to export this video by clicking on this export. Now give your video a name and destination folder and export it by clicking on this export button again. The video will be exported in few seconds or minute depending on your video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. For future video updates similar to this one, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.